Kim Kardashian is giving fans an honest look at her over decade-long battle with psoriasis after defending her use of tanning beds to treat the chronic skin condition. One Tuesday, the reality TV star, 43, who was diagnosed in 2011, uploaded a video of her latest painful psoriasis flare-up on her right calf. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder that causes skin cells to multiply too rapidly, resulting in a body rash that's often scaly, itchy, and inflamed. Kim told her 364 million followers that she can't determine the cause of her latest flare-up and that it is migrating up and down her leg. How crazy is my psoriasis right now, guys? Narrated Kim as she zoomed in on the sizable rash. It's like all up my leg, and I don't know what's happening. But I gotta figure this out. This is crazy. She emphasized just how painful the rash is and insisted that she's just tried everything to treat it. According to the NHS, doctors most commonly prescribe topical corticosteroids to reduce inflammation, but those who suffer from severe psoriasis may seek out phototherapy, immunosuppressants, or homeopathic remedies for relief. Not gonna lie, this is painful. Kim wrote, "Not sure what my triggers are. I haven't changed my diet. I've tried everything. Psoriasis sucks." In follow-up clip, the mother of four explained that her psoriasis usually occurs in the same spot on her calf, but that this time it's moving up my thigh. So I just know it's time to figure this out, said an emotionally exhausted Kim. To wrap up, the Skate Enye by Kim founder stood in front of her bathroom mirror and pointed out that her rash is sort of heart-shaped, just in time for Valentine's Day. Lucky me, I have a heart-shaped psoriasis. Kim said that she posted the close-up videos because she wanted to share my journey with you guys. She included the hashtag psoriasis sucks. Later in the day, Kim returned to Instagram to show herself getting her makeup done. Her latest posts come nearly 2 weeks after she defended using tanning beds for her psoriasis after fans criticized her for promoting the dangerous beauty practice. Days earlier, she had made a TikTok video showing off the new offices for her relaunched beauty brand Scan by Kim, complete with tanning bed. I'm Kim Kardashian. Of course, I have a tanning bed and a red light bed in my office. She says in the video, which has since racked up over 14 million views. The backlash started almost immediately with people calling her out for a practice that can cause skin cancer, which her sister Khloe Kardashian, 39, has had twice. I have psoriasis and it really helps when it's bad, but I don't use it too often, she wrote on X, formerly known as Twitter, in reply to an Allure magazine article that criticized her for trying to normalize tanning. The tanning controversy started when the beauty guru jumped on the recent IMWT, of course, his trend by sharing a video tour of her Skate In by Kim office on Thursday. In the video, Kim strolls through her offices wearing a cozy-looking robe and says things like, "I'm Kim Kardashian. Of course, I have all my magazine covers covering my walls." Soon after the video was posted, Allure wrote an opinion piece titled, "Please, Kim Kardashian, don't try to normalize tanning beds," which cited the high risk of skin cancer associated with indoor tanning. The magazine pointed out, contrary to popular belief, UV exposure can be more harmful than helpful in the treatment of psoriasis. Kim reposted the article and wrote, "I have psoriasis and it really helps when it's bad, but I don't use it too often." One asked in the comments of the TikTok video, "So can I go back into the tanning beds if Kim Kardashian does?" One Twitter user commented, "Still don't try to normalize it, or at least state why you're using it. Your followers would be using it without knowing why, and it could cause complications." Kim has been candid about her psoriasis in the past, showing photos of her skin when it is red and inflamed. In 2019, the mom of four wrote an essay about her autoimmune disorder for Kourtney Kardashian's Poosh site. "If you have psoriasis, you can't let it ruin your life or get the best of you," she began. "You have to do what you can to make sure you are comfortable, but not let it take over," she wrote. I hope my story can help anyone else with an autoimmune disease feel confident that there is light at the end of the tunnel.